Binance Coin, also known as BNB, it is a native to Binance Chain, the main blockchain, and was inaugurated in an ICO, initial coin offering, developed by Binance, a global crypto market responsible for offering a platform for negotiations of 100 encrypted currencies. It has a max supply of 200 million tokens and is already among the top currencies in the world regarding market value. Binance Coin is also known as BNB. It is a native to the Binance Chain main blockchain and was inaugurated in an ICO, initial coin offering, developed by Binance, global crypto market responsible for offering a platform for the negotiation of 100 encrypted currencies. It has a max supply of 200 million tokens and is already among the top currencies in the world regarding market value. BNB plans on offering earnings up to 2.2% every day through the layered farming service. BNB is our payment method, and layering farming will be accounted for from Monday to Friday at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10 USD without fees. The automated withdrawals are available every day at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. To leverage your earnings, BNB Profits offers a complete binary plan with opportunities for earning that vary according to the plan you choose. So, how does the BNB network work? You have a A team on one side and one on the other side. For example, Team A has 15 and Team B has 10. Users' earnings are 10% according to the BNB plan. And examples, the earnings are based on the team with the lower score, Team B, which means the lesser leg you will be paid on. The payment of the binary plan will be accounted for daily at 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Miami. Remember, no member has to participate in the binary plan. You can earn passively Monday through Friday without sharing this program with anyone. Just think if you could have bought Bitcoin when it was a couple of $100s. Well, Binance is the largest exchange in the world, and you can now hodl many of their coins right now. Do not miss out on this growth. You will kick yourself later. So make sure you click the link below this video. Cheers for now to your success.
Well, hello, crypto lovers. How you doing out there? You're going to hear about this amazing program that just launched called BNB Profits. Wow, and this is based on the Binance Coin. And so if you're out there and you're acquiring crypto, this is definitely the place you want to be in. It is an amazing program. Been able to accumulate a little over 60 BNB coins here in the last 5 days. And we're just starting. So, spend about 5 minutes with me, and hopefully you'll see what I saw here at BNB Profits. Well, BNB Profits is truly about reinventing yourself and really stepping into the future. And a lot of us may have missed Bitcoin, being involved in crypto for the last 6 or 7 years. Some of us had to survive during that time, okay? And we weren't able to hold as much Bitcoin as we wish we had of. And we know right now Bitcoin is is a little out there. So BNB, this coin is based on the Binance exchange, which is the second largest exchange with over 500,000 users. And some of the most amazing things are happening on the Binance exchange. So there's speculation. There's no guarantees here, but they're saying this year we could easily hit $1,000 to even $2,000 per coin. And right now it's trading about $250. But one thing I want to share with you, in the middle of February, it was at $45. So you can see that growth. So you really want to expand on that and acquire as much BNB coins as you possibly can. But the goal is to hold, okay? Well, our foundation, we're native from the Binance Coin main blockchain. So we're native from that blockchain. BNB, again, is a product of the Binance exchange. So very, very, very powerful backing there. And there's tons of ways to earn crypto, which we know. But when I share with you the simple system that was created here with BNB Profit, you will be blown away. So our pillars. Well, number one, we have some extreme market expertise. Being able to fly out and meet some of the head of this program, it really made me comfortable in terms of really going all in. And the farming, guys, I've been able to take a look at how the farming is done through Uniswap and other trading mechanisms. So we're set at a 2.2% daily, and that's Monday through Friday. So think about it, 2.2% earned on your coins daily. And the performance here is just goes to show where BNB Profits is going. Well, let's talk a little bit about the BNB layered farming. Our main proposal for earning BNB Profits is offered through our farming services based on, again, the BNB coin. And that 2.2 every day over the amount applied through the automated farming system, which uses, again, the swap, which is decentralized trading mechanisms of crypto assets and yield farming. So that, again, allows us that 2.2% daily reward, which is paid, again, Monday through Friday. Now, our plan is very, very simple. This is why I really love this program. We don't have to create masters to get this bonus or that bonus, and there's not 20 different bonuses that you got to study. It's very simple here, guys. Is you get in where you fit in and you begin to build, or you can just say, hey, I want to earn passively. So you can get started from as low as 0.5 of the BNB coin, which right now we're talking about $160 USD, up to 20 BNB coins. That's, of course, is where I got started, where you're earning 15%, you're maximizing the binary, and again, you're earning 2.2% a day on that coin. So the payment method, let me go ahead and read that to you. Layered farming will be accounted for from Monday to Fridays at 12 a.m. Miami time. And again, the beautiful thing about it, the minimum withdrawal fees, ladies and gentlemen, is nothing. There's no fee to withdraw. Okay, and then all you have to do is earn $10 USD, and it will be automatically sent to your wallet every day, roughly around 5 p.m. Miami time, but you'll definitely get it that next business day. Now, here are the ways to earn here at BNB Profits. You can get started again at 0.5 BNB coin, which will pay 5% in the binary, 1 BNB coin, which will pay 6% in the binary, 2 BNBs, 7%, 4 BNBs, which will pay 8% in the binary, 8 BNBs, which will pay you 10% in the binary, 12 BNBs will pay you 12%, and 20 will pay you, of course, the maximum at 15%. Now, remember, the binary is very, very simple to explain. You have two teams, a right team and a left team. And what will happen, depending on what level you get started in, you will earn that percentage every single day on the leg with the least or equal volume. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have accumulated within your team 100 BNB on the left coins for the day, and 100 BNB coins for the right on that day. Now let's say you're at a 15% payout. Okay, so you're at 15%, you got 100 on the left and 100 on the right. You just earned 15 BNB coins that day, guys. We're talking about $3,500 USD. And that's how fast people are earning and acquiring. Now remember, we're on a mission to acquire 1,000 BNB coins in the next 90 days and hold them. Because if BNB goes to $1,000, which they're saying it will, now there's no guarantees, and you, ladies and gentlemen, have 1,000 BNB that you've acquired, you have made $1 million USD. Now, let me give you an example full on of how the binary looks. Now, in this example, to keep it simple, let's say you have 8 BNB coins, okay? And you have started to build your two teams, your team A and your team B. Well, in this example, on your team A, you have a total of 15 BNB coins within that organization, okay? So you have one with 4, another with 4. He brought in someone with 4. She brought in someone that came in with 0.5, and so forth and so forth. At the end of the day, that total, okay, 15 BNBs on team A. Now on team B, you have less, okay? So 2, a half a BNB, 4, 2, etc. And you have 10 BNB coins. So in this example, the computer is going to say, hey, you came in at 8 BNB, okay? So you're going to earn 10%, all right, of the side with the least volume. So in this case, it is team B. So you're going to earn 10% of those 10 BNB coins, okay? So 10% of 10 BNB coins will yield you or earn you that day 1 full BNB coin. Now, our goal here is very, very simple. Our system is very, very simple. After you watch this video, get back to whoever invited you, get registered, get set up, get going, and get to inviting, okay? So the first step is register. Second step is go ahead and get started. Go ahead and get your account funded, all right? The third step, make an announcement. Let everybody know it's go time, all right? We are on a 90-day blitz to 1,000 BNB coins. And the last thing is earn. So we can ride that wave. If we miss Bitcoin or maybe even Ethereum, you have an opportunity to ride that wave with BNB Profit. So get back to who invited you to this video, get your questions answered, and I recommend you get started ASAP. Have a blessed one. Bye-bye.